Hi, your Google Ads showing 100 leads but only 70 or 75 in your CRM. Then check these three things before blaming your Google Ads directly. The first thing is your conversion tracker really firing after a successful form submission? A lot of times conversion are counted before the form submit or when the form is open. The second thing is check for deduplicate conversion. If a form submission from the same user is counted twice, then the conversion will seem more in Google Ads. The third thing is the attribution rules for the Google Ads data and CRM data are not same. Google Ads may give credit for a conversion, but CRM may only counting the accurate qualified lead. So, if you see more or less conversion in Google Ads, don't think the Google Ads tracking is broken. First of all, submit a test lead, compare the time stamp and see if the data is going correctly from click to conversion, then to CRM. Before making good advertising decision, you need to be sure that your data is really accurate. If you run your Google Ads and facing such as problem, and if you need any assistant to solve this problem, feel free to contact me. Thank you so much.